Hey, welcome in, y'all. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Yo, 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 what's up? Hassan? Yo, 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 what's up? What's up? Ag. Give me a second, y'all. Let me remove some stuff off my screen. Give me a sec, give me a sec. What's up, D-Dub? Welcome back, y'all. Market opens up in like 13 more minutes. 13 more minutes, y'all, and we will be taking a trade. I already set some zones, but, you know, a little something, something. Nothing too crazy. As y'all can see, we already coming down. Well, we're moving sideways, actually. We're just moving sideways. But I'm thinking for shorts, guys. I'm going to take a short. When market opens, I'm taking a short. That's my plan. Unless we come back into this fair value gap right here for a short. What up? What's up, Lionel? What's good? Fair value gap. Hey, what's up, Gina? What's up, y'all? Welcome into the chat. Welcome in. Welcome in. Get comfortable. Market opens up in like 10 more minutes. I'm gonna set like one more zone and then start taking a trade. What market are you trading? I'm trading NASDAQ. The Nazi. Big Nazi. All right, I'm gonna set a zone real quick. So I'll set a zone, 15 minute right here. A little 15-minute supply. About to go ahead and see if we do retrace back into this, I'm going for a short. That's the plan. Computer's a little laggy. Ooh, come on, computer, what are you doing? Hold up, that's not right. Oh, there we go, there we go, there we go. Bro, come on. All right, y'all. I see we still pushing down. We're still pushing down, but we have this spot right here that we might bounce at. I see a potential bounce at the 1600 level. I mean 18600 level. So we're gonna see. Would you sell when it look bearish? This is a funded trading account. Yes. And would you sell when it looks bearish? I mean, it depends. Depends on how we, respecting certain zones. So yeah, we're gonna see. Once market open, I'm not gonna trade now because it can start getting volatile. Even though I don't even know if we have news. Hold on. Let's check and see if we got news. Hold on. I keep forgetting to check news. Am I the only one that be forgetting to check news as soon as you wake up to go trade? All right, so we got monetary policy. We have the BOC rate statement and overnight rate coming at 8:45. So we got time before those news hit, and they are big news. So we got time. I'm gonna still try to take a trade within the first 5 minutes of trade. I mean, the first 5 minutes of market open. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see. So yeah, Jigga, we're gonna take a trade. If it's bearish, I mean it's looking bearish, especially off this the fact that we're rejecting this block right here, for sure. I don't know if y'all can see it. Hold up, let me see if I can show y'all. This block right here, I'm liking that rejection for the shorts. If we get a nice retracement, I'm going for the short. Plain and simple. Get my little marker tool. That's how I'm feeling. Boom. That rejection, go down to a 15-minute. We have a supply zone right above our heads. If we do bounce and we retrace, I'm going for a short. That's the move. That's my bias. Well, let me get rid of this. Hold up. right, y'all. Market opens up in 10 more minutes. Let's go. And please forgive me if my charts are laggy though. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I need a new laptop. Big time. Big time. I had messed up my other laptop and it just, man. I had a good laptop. I messed it up. All right, so we got 9 minutes, y'all. If y'all have any questions, let me know in the chat before I start locking in. Before I start locking in. 9 more minutes. Let's go. All right. I was young as watching your videos for real. And how old you are now? How old are you now? Like what age you started watching me, and then what age are you now? Since it's been a minute, a long time. Wow. Damn, so you had to been watching since you was like 16, 17. That's crazy. All right, give me a sec, y'all. I'm trying to adjust some stuff in my shoulder. Bro, you was 13, 14? Oh, heck nah. Damn, bro, what kind of videos I was doing you shouldn't be watching. Heck nah, 13, 14? That's wild. Unbelievable. That's what's up, though. Hey, shout out for even just coming back into the chat. That's what's up. Hey, that's crazy. All right, let's see what we got. What we got here. I used to be watching them pranks. Yeah, hey, I used to be doing them pranks. Nah, but guess what? Guess what? We're not doing those pranks because we're gonna be spreading that word. All right, so look, word of the day: flee from evil desires and pursue righteousness, faith, love, and peace, y'all. Make sure y'all doing that. Pursuing faith, love, and peace, along with those who called on the Lord out of pure heart. So make sure you're doing it out of pure heart. When you're being good, righteous, faithful, loving, caring, giving. Make sure you're doing it out of your pure heart, not just doing it, guys, for the grace of God. And also, because I'm spreading that word, I got to. It's only right. Give me 1 second. Because Mark about to open up in like a few minutes. Also, y'all, boom, put this on the screen. Rejoice always. Always rejoice and pray continually without ceasing. So make sure that you're praying without ceasing. Always praying, no matter if you're in the car, no matter if you're eating your breakfast, no matter if you're trading. Make sure that you're praying, okay? For this is God's will for you in Christ Jesus. Make sure y'all doing that, y'all. Make sure that y'all keeping y'all faith in Lord Jesus, and make sure that y'all calling on him constantly, calling on him, and he will direct your path, okay? All right, now we got the scripture out because I'm gonna keep on bringing it up in a few, but we got market open up in how many minutes? Market opens up in 5 more minutes. You can make content about trading. You can make content about trading. That's what I'm doing. For real, brother. He was my favorite YouTuber back in my. Wow, really? Hey, that's what's up, man. I used to be our favorite YouTuber, but hey, man, the pranks. I ain't gonna lie. I might do something simple. I ain't gonna do too crazy. I can't talk too loud. But yeah, I might do something on my family channel, But other than that, I kind of got away from it, man. You know, when you start doing pranks so much, imagine you doing it every day, all day, and then it's like you get so bored of pranks and challenges. It's like, dang, like what else do I do? You know, you don't want to just do the same thing over and over. Vlogging is cool, but a lot of people don't just watch vlogging no more. Those times have changed, y'all. Like, if you could say for yourselves, y'all not really watching pranks like that. Like, if you are, then it's like, man, you must be in love with them. They get kind of played out, you know. It's like that was like to me. I started that in 2017. That was back in the day. But you know, sometimes you gotta just move on and grow. But I wouldn't mind doing them again. You know, I wouldn't mind doing something nothing too crazy. Nothing like no, you know, I'm not gonna do no caught in the bed with another girl prank no more. We ain't doing that. What's up, bro? What's up, Alejandro? God bless you, bro. Yeah. Oh, back to the word. God bless you too, man. Hey, like I said, flee from evil desires. I know y'all like being out there doing what y'all like to do, having fun, and living young and stuff like that. But hey, make sure you're pursuing righteousness, faith in the Lord, giving love and peace. Make sure y'all doing that, man. Make sure because there's gonna be a time. There's gonna be a time when you're gonna have to face the man above. There's gonna be a time, and also continue to pray every single day, all day. Continue to pray. Make sure that y'all continue to pray to the Lord Jesus. Continue to pray to Him, asking for things, telling Him that you forgive Him for your sins. Make sure that you're repenting. You know, doing the right thing, y'all. Market opens up in 4 more minutes. I'm looking for that retracement back up to that 15-minute supply zone and that 15-minute fair value gap. So that's what I'm looking for. Probably get repetitive. It get repetitive, yo. It do. I'm not even gonna lie to you. It can get like you like, okay, yeah, I'm doing this, blah 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 blah. Same thing. What's next? Like how many can you do? I mean, you could think of, bro. Think about it like this. Can you think of at least 1,000? I've done maybe 1,000 and more pranks. Can you think of 1,000 pranks? After 1,000, you're like, okay, then what am I doing? Like, what's next? Even if you made all the money in the world, it's like, what's next? You buy a car, you buy a house, you take care of your kids, you know, stuff like that. You know, it just gets repetitive. Almost as if like, what's the point? And that's why I'm here trading and spreading that word, because I feel like that's way more important than anything right now. Is spreading that word. I have to more than making money. But I like trading. I found it. I think along my journey of doing YouTube. So the way I found trading, that was a head. Hey, be cool, Quintera. Be cool, be cool. Jigs. Oh no. Hey, one thing I want y'all to let y'all know is I gotta spread that word, man. Cause stuff get repetitive. But if y'all do want to see pranks again, it's on the family channel. I gotta just do it. I just haven't done it in a while. We are breaking down. We coming down into this. I got another zone. We got a 1 hour right here. So I do trade now, y'all. I've been trading even when I was doing channel like YouTube like pranks. I'm sorry, YouTube pranks. So when I was doing these pranks, I was learning how to trade. Like when I was doing challenges and pranks, I was learning how to trade, and I just found like I ain't gonna lie, I fell in love with it. So here I am right now on my main channel, haven't been posting on my main channel in so long, y'all. And I'm streaming now, so I'm gonna be streaming almost every day, showing my trading journey and spreading that word. All right. Hey, who retracted there? Definitely God's plan. Yeah, for sure. What about giving back? What about giving back videos? Our videos of you doing charity or recording documentary or charity event. What about giving back videos? I mean, yeah, I mean, I could do giving back videos, but why not just give? Why just not, you know what I'm saying? Why not give when nobody's looking, you know? Like, like, I could do the videos and show everybody, oh, how good my heart is, but it almost would feel like it's just for my own doing. And I don't want to just give. I'm going to give, you know what's crazy? I do give back. I give back all the time when I'm on the road. I'm giving back dollars, tens, 20s, or just a couple of dollar bills. I do it without even recording it. But if I was to record me giving homeless people money or giving them something like to eat, then it's like, it's almost feel like I'm doing it for myself, and it's so like, look at me. So I guess I just don't really post that type of stuff. Make vids traveling with the fam or something. All right, I mean, I could do that. You know, I just haven't really posted them in my kids in a while, so I kind of stayed away from posting my kids so much on social media. Kind of stepped back from that. Yeah, you know, that's what I'm saying. I don't want to record people. Ooh, market's open. And that thing just spiked up. It bounced off that 1 hour. Look at that. Bounced off that 1 hour perfectly. Ooh. Retraced it. So, ooh. All right, so if we do retrace back into this 15-minute fair value gap, and if y'all don't know what I'm talking about, just stick around. You're gonna learn. You're gonna learn what I'm talking about. So we going back into this. Look, we bouncing back, y'all. I should have took that long, but anyways, my initial bias was to go for this 15-minute fair value gap and 15 minutes on supply zone and take a short back down to the lows. That's the plan. What is the most you made in that trading? The most I made in trading was 6,000. I'm only been trading for 2.5 years, roughly 2.5 years, and the most I made was $6,000. And sometimes now, ever since the tariffs thing, man, ever since Trump came out with tariffs and the amount of volatility with this market has been crazy. So it's been kind of tough. My trading it's been kind of sideways. I'm not even gonna lie to you. For the past couple of months, it's been sideways. I've been trying to learn this new market because the volatility is different now. Are you guys still together? Yes. Mulalo? Yeah, we are still together. We are definitely still together for sure. For sure, for sure. For sure. We are pushing. Ooh, my computer laggy. I gotta get another computer, another laptop. These 15-minute candlesticks. These 15-minute candlesticks. Yeah. I tried trading. Wait, I'm sorry. I tried trading, kept blowing my account, so I backed out. Heck no, don't back out. Hey, that could be long-term generational wealth. For sure. Hey, give it another chance. Don't give up. Don't give up. Unless you want to do something else. I mean, I can't, unless you want to do something else. Hey, we push it back up into that 15-minute fair value gap, y'all. We're gonna see what happens. I'm not gonna get into no long right now. I'm not gonna get into no trade right now, because if I get into a moving market, that's like chasing price. And it's already established. So it's always good to wait for the market to come to you. So make sure you always wait for the market to come to you. Watch how it performs and develop, and then you get into your trade. So that's what we're doing. Good luck to you, bro. Keep being great. Stay in the path. You know what? I'm gonna read this right here. I'm sorry, y'all. I got my phone on the charger. That's why I'm reading on the side. So I got my phone on the charger. I'm gonna watch this market too. Let's look at this one more time. Good luck to you, bro. By Alejandro. Keep being great. Stay in the path you are in, bro. I say you have matured in many ways. I can also say that I know that you're not done growing. You'll jump into more stuff. For sure. Appreciate the love, Alejandro. Appreciate you. Thank you for the love and the support. I appreciate the good, kind words. I really, really do. Sometimes you can really be your worst critic, you know? You really can. You really can put yourself in the ground so fast. Are we all pushing up into this 15-minute? I want to see how to retrace. Ooh, hold up. I see something else. Bean bop. Bam. All right. Let's see what we do right here. Let's see what we do. How we going to push? I'm going to look at a 5-minute. I'm going to wait because we are volatile. This doesn't mean get into the shorts now. Just because we tap into that 15-minute don't mean you get into the short right now. We haven't even touched that 15-minute yet. So I'm not going to take no trade just yet. We're going to wait. We're going to wait. Sheesh, haven't seen you in a minute. Ernie, welcome in. Ernie. Like I said, y'all, we're going to wait because it's volatile right now. We only 4 minutes into the market. In market open. It's going to push up higher. I just got to wait. Do you teach trading? If not, it would be interesting to see your methods. I do not teach trading. But once I would say if I became more established, because I'm not gonna say I'm shaky myself. The markets have changed a lot drastically, and everything's been feeling like a scalp. Like everything's been feeling like getting. Oh wow, that was a big whipsaw up to the top. Yo, hold up. We just tapped that 15-minute fair value gap and just rejected so fast. Yo, remember me? We played Fortnite before in 2018. Be honest with you, Ernie, I don't remember you. But that's cool that we did play. So shout out to you for letting me know that. I don't remember, yo. My memory ain't so great when it comes to remembering people I played with. I'm not gonna lie to you. But that's what's up, though. That's dope. 2018, man, that's a long time ago, yo. I ain't gonna lie, 2018, 2019, 2017, those were some good times. Some amazing times. Tell me if I'm lying, y'all. Like, for real, I enjoyed those times. It almost feel like everything has changed since 2021. Everything. All right, like I said, we still pushing up into that 15-minute fair value gap. We just tapped into it, but we're gonna see. This market look like it wants to go back down. I'm gonna try for one short. If it starts to continue to shoot back down more and more, I'm gonna go for a short. But nah, I'm gonna wait. We could be moving sideways. We in between two ranges. We in between 1 hour demand zone, and we're between a 15-minute supply zone. So we might just look. We pushing back. I already knew it. We pushing back. It was a fake out. This shit was 7 years. I was 13. How did you learn how to trade? So, Quinn, I learned how to trade when two and a half years ago. I started watching TikTok. Yo, I ain't gonna lie. I was looking up new ideas on TikTok. I was like, man, I need some new ideas. I'm bored. I'm tired of doing these videos over and over, the same old videos, vlogging, pranks, and challenges. I was like, I would still do these videos, but my life was getting so like repetitive and redundant. And I was like, man, this is getting like waking up and say, let me try to figure out a prank. And I said, let me look up some ideas on TikTok, and came across trading. I didn't understand it. I knew about Bitcoin and crypto, but I just didn't understand it. And I was putting money into it. Don't get me wrong. I was putting like 10,000 in Bitcoin, start losing it because I didn't understand investing. I had no financial literacy. So I kind of put trading to the side, was like, dang, I don't understand this stuff. Came back to it. Something just made me come back to it and was like, give it a chance. Start learning it. So I went on TikTok and started learning the basics, what candles are, what wicks are, what supply and demand is, what support resistance is, what high time frames do compared to correlation with lower time frames. I started learning all that stuff, going back and forth. You watch all my videos, huh? Yeah, I watch all kind of videos. Like I was just going back and forth. And then start realizing that trading, the biggest thing that really stuck out to me with trading was, it wasn't that what you learned from the trading. It was all about who you are, like the psychology. The one thing I took from trading was it taught me who I was. I was a gambler. I was a risk taker. I had no emotional control. I've learned so much about myself because I was blowing account after account, simulating accounts after accounts, live accounts. I funded myself so many times and blew them so many times. I could show you. It's unbelievable. But I mean, I took payouts. I definitely took payouts. I've learned that I had to suppress my emotions to stay in this game. And one of the things I've noticed that this whole trading thing is all about psychology. If you can keep your emotions in line and keep your emotions in check, you will succeed in trading. It's all about psychology. Anybody can learn the candle charts. Anybody can learn blocks and 1 + 1 is 2. Anybody can learn that. But when it comes to literally having a passion for this one thing, like this has to be the hardest way to make the easiest money. Real talk. All right, see, I told you we pushing. I'm not gonna get into the long. We're too volatile. We're pushing into this 15-minute. I want to see what we do at this 15-minute. I want to see what we do. I'm gonna sit on my hands and wait. I had a feeling you was doing something like this. Hey, Daniel, ain't no way. Hey, you gotta. Hey, Daniel Forex. So you watch my videos and now you doing Forex? That's what's up. Correct me if I'm wrong. All right, look. I like the rejection on the 5-minute right here. This might be a good look. I like the rejection on this 5-minute green candle right here. Boom. Underneath this right here. I like that. We push into this 15-minute. If we do push into this 15-minute supply zone, I want to get along from there, but I gotta get some more confirmation. I gotta get more confirmation before I go short. I need way more confirmation. The reason why I don't want to go short just yet is because that we still pushing higher. We don't want to fight the trend. You don't want to fight the trend just yet. You know what? I'm gonna wait, because we can still push higher. Man, I have recently blown a couple of funded accounts too. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Oh my goodness. And also, I'm on Top Step. I'm sorry. Hey, catch me live Catch me live. Oh shoot, catch me live on Top Step. Oh shoot, we break it down. Hold up, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Let me get back to it. Catch me live on Top Step. If y'all know, it's a prop firm. That's who I trade with. I trade with a bunch of prop firms, but catch me live on Top Step at 2 p.m. on the 22nd. They want me on that thing to trade a little bit. I was on there. I mean, I've been on there a couple of times, but I'm going back on there on the 22nd. Look at that fake out. Back up to the long. And y'all always remember the wicks. You don't want to trade wicks. Wicks, it'll wick you out for real. Your stock will get hit and it'll bounce back. You can play your trade out, right? This is your entry. This is your stop. You could be going short. That thing will wick you out, and then follow your trend. So make sure that you don't. When you're trading wicks, be careful. Don't trade wicks just because you see a lot of volume. Because wicks don't have to be your friend. I promise you. It can really whip you out and go sideways and consolidate the whole time. So make sure y'all be careful when it comes to these wicks. You wildin'.
Hey.
Hey.
Stick to your rules.
Yeah, you gotta stick to the rules.
Any news today?
Yeah, they got a lot of news. Oh, it's about to be news in 4 minutes. Hey, thanks for that. Cause honestly, I was telling them at 8:45 they got news.
Okay.
We about to see some crazy action.
Yeah. You sit on them hands. Hey, chat. I'm about to go, okay?
All right.
Love you.
I love you too. Be safe.
Be good.
They gonna keep me good in here. Y'all gonna keep me good, right? Y'all gonna tell me no, don't take that trade. That's a bad trade. What prop firms you recommend for new traders? I recommend Top Step. I recommend Apex Trader. I recommend Take Profit Trader. I recommend Trader5. All right. Top Step, which I love. Apex, which I like. Trader5. Take Profit Trader. I like those two. They got a couple of them come up, man. They got a lot of them coming up. Man, we are moving sideways. Mark, that news come out in 3 minutes. Yeah. News coming out in 3 more minutes. Okay, we popping up. We're gonna see. We got 2 minutes until this 15-minute candle on close. Ooh, I like the rejection right here. I like that. Let me put that so y'all can see this. You see how that green candle stay below that block right here? If we go into this 15-minute and we reject that 15-minute, your boy going short. Or I might go long. It depends. If we break through that 15-minute supply zone and we stay above that 15-minute supply zone, retrace and stay above it, I'm going long. If we stay below that 15-minute supply zone and we respect it, I'm going short. I'm gonna repeat. This 15-minute, even though we're touching this 15-minute fair value gap and we're respecting it, I think we might push into it. So I'm just waiting for respect. If we shoot past the 15-minute and retrace above that 15-minute, I'm going long. If we disrespect the 15-minute and we stay above that 15-minute, I'm going long. If we respect that 15-minute and we stay below that 15-minute, I'm going short. What my signs are, what I'm seeing that's telling me that the shorts might come in is the respect on the 15-minute candle, that we're respecting this 15-minute that on the 5-minute on a lower time frame that we're respecting this block. I'm gonna show you the block right here. This block, I like this. I like that respect. I like how we didn't pass this 15-minute candle right here. Give me a second. I like how this 15-minute green candle right here didn't pass this block, and I like that it rejected that block. So this could be a short. Let's see. I might take. We're gonna see. I gotta see a break of structure before I even get to a short. I gotta see a break of structure. We're not gonna just get into a short. I'm just letting y'all know. I'm not getting to a short just yet. There could be a fake out. Nope. No break of structure. No trade. But that's not true, because if we do get a nice little rejection, I might get into a short. But I don't see it. See? Fake out. Nope. Not yet. And news in 1 minute. News in 1 minute. News in 1 minute. Look at that fake out. Look at that fake out. Say them prop firm names again. Bro, I got you, bro. I'm not even gonna do you like that, bro. I got you, bro. I got you, bro. I got you, bro. I think how you spell your name. Tradeify. There you go. Oh, the shorts coming in. Profit Trader. There you go, bro. Merry Christmas. No, don't like it. Volatile. And news came out. You know what? If we break this, if we break this, if we close below this wick right here, I'm getting to the shorts and wait for a retracement. I want to see a close on the 1 minute. I want to see a close. There you go, bro. I'm gonna pin it for you. I need to be getting paid. I need to get some affiliate links with them. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I need to get some affiliate links. For real. Top Step, Apex Funded Trader, Tradeify, Take Profit Trader, which I like. Take Profit Trader would do their thing for sure. We're gonna see right here. Five-minute block. Let's try a short. One short. Even if we retrace back up, one short. $15-minute. All right, not bad. We're gauging the market right now. We're gauging the market. Now this might can go back up. This might go back up into the 15-minute supply zone. We're gonna see. No problem, bro.
Sorry.
No, you good. Ooh, I might get out this if we don't. I might get out of this. I don't know. I'm not liking this. I'm starting to realize I might not like this trade. Look at that. You know what? I think I like this trade. 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 Why am I lagging? Man, this computer whack. Come on now. Load. All right, so we in 1 micro just to gauge the market. I'm telling y'all. All right, I'm going into some more shorts. I just want to see. All right, there we go. We're shooting down some more. Make sure my stops. We're gonna see. All right, we're gonna see. We're gonna keep our shorts in. I'm gonna keep my stop above this, just in case I want to keep going. Give myself some room to play. We are bouncing off that 5-minute, but I just don't. I mean, it's not cute. Put my stop right here. Not my stop right there. My Man, my computer is lagging. Oh my goodness. This lag is nasty. I had a feeling it was gonna bounce back up. That's okay. Come on now. I should have took that retracement out, that rejection out that 15-minute fair value gap. But that's okay. That's why you gotta hold your trade. You don't get too emotional. You risk what you are willing to risk. And that's that. Bro, why is my computer lagging like this? I might have to change the speed. Hold up, I'll be right back. Give me a second, y'all. Let me change the speed of this market. Let me change the data to medium. That thing was on fast. Oh my goodness. What was I thinking? Oh, fast thing, y'all. All right, let's add more. I'm adding 10 more. And I got my stop. I'm willing to risk 1,000. That's the move. Okay. Let's take out. No, I'm not gonna take out. I'm gonna hold it. Y'all keep watching. Y'all keep watching. Remember, no emotion. If he stop lagging, give me a no emotion. Look at that rejection so fast. No emotion. Don't show no emotion in this market. All right, we're breaking. Sorry for the lagging computer, y'all. I know, I gotta get a new computer that can handle this load so I can start showing my trades more efficient, because this is not efficient looking of trading. There we go. We in the money. Whoa, hold up. Let me take some profits. No way, I just made 180 off that. Yo, what the world? How am I at 180 when I was up like 600? Yo, wait a minute. Bro, this market fake, bro. No way, I was just up 600. Am I lying? Yo, come on, bro. Y'all really y'all wildin'. Bro, they played me. Y'all played me. All right, I got one runner, man. One runner. Nasty, man. How y'all do me like that? How y'all do me like that? Oh my goodness. Market jumping around. I ain't gonna lie, that was some cap. That was some cap. I knew I was up at least 600, 700. Hey, come on. Hey, they playing. They playing me. As soon as I got as soon as my computer, like, it's lagging. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. It's trash. Y'all like, man, I can't even see his computer. Like, I can't even see his moves. Look at that right now. Take it forever. But we are shooting down within this 4 hours. So let me get rid of some of these zones so y'all can see this market clearly. I know you're like, what is this? What is going on? I can't see nothing. Bro, this is crazy. I'm gonna have to get that new Asus. I have to get that new Asus. This is my same excuse almost every day. I need a new computer. I need to get a good computer. Nothing that, like, for example, I could buy any computer. I need to spend at least 2,000 on a computer. I'm so serious. I have to. I could buy any computer, right? But the thing is, this computer works well when it's not streaming. I'm streaming myself and I'm streaming my trades. That's a lot of CPU being used, you know? A lot of heat on the computer. So I gotta be careful. I can't just be buying any computer I want and be thinking that it's gonna work out. I gotta buy an expensive computer. Left it might be the Wi-Fi. Hey, let me tell you the truth. I'm hardwired right now. Literally. It's just the load of trading and streaming and recording myself on the camera is so much that it's a lot. It's a lot. So the computer it's like the latency is so laggy. But if I had a stronger computer with a lot of CPU, a better core, it'll be flawless, not breaking a sweat. But this computer is from 2019. I mean, I see that trade. Hey, y'all can't deny it. The trade, it worked out. It got a little choppy, but it worked out. Man, that's swag, man. Hey, at least we made 200 almost. That's lame. I think we're gonna go short. Hey, I'm put on a different song. We're getting a little wag. All right. Hey, we're still in this trade, y'all. Break it this 1 hour. We're still in this trade. 1 micro. And also remember, one thing you don't want to do is have no stop. All right. You want to have one thing you do. You don't want to ever not put a stop. Always put a stop. So I'm gonna put my runner on break even. So if you load it up, I be feeling like the longer you have the computer, the more it starts tripping for sure. This computer do start tripping. Come on, stop. Come on, break even. Break even. Fund my account. Give me some money. I'm not trying to. Yo, it's not breaking even. Hey, yo. You wildin'. Alright, bet. There we go. Bet. Just like that. You don't want to break even? I'll do it for you. There we go. See? Break even. So this is a risk-free trade, okay? We have no risk in this trade. We are up 180, 190, whatever it is. And we are... That retracement about to be nasty. That's why I don't like these markets right nowadays. I might get out of this trade. We got 2 more minutes until this 1 hour, so we might see a retracement. I'm getting out. I'm gonna get out. All right, we out. Come on. We out of this. It doesn't want to break. It wants to reject it. It wants to respect, bro. It's really going to play me like that? There we go. All right, we up 211. Not bad. But look, the reason why I got out of this trade is because on this 1 hour, if it stop acting slow, on this 1 hour, we have 1:30 left, and we are not breaking. We haven't even broken yet. Watch I say that in the shoes down. We haven't broken yet, so we might start moving sideways. Okay, and I can see a retracement, and it's already going to hit my stop. So imagine I'm at break even, right? I'm at break even, and the market is closing within the zone. The next candle is going to retrace back up and shoot and stop me out. So why not just get all the way out? Unless I know for sure the volume was just constantly going down. Here's another thing I've noticed. If y'all still in here, another thing I noticed. All right, like I said, I was taking a short, right? Y'all seeing this, right? Okay. Y'all pay attention. You seen how it rejected? You seen how it rejected off this 15-minute fair value gap? It did not want to push back up into this 15-minute supply zone. Look at the one I'm circling. Supply zone. 15-minute fair value gap. Breakdown. This is a 15-minute time frame going down to a 5-minute. Look at the rejection on this green candle underneath this block and the rejection on this red candle. It didn't want to pass this block and it didn't want to pass this block, but it rejected perfectly off this 15-minute fair value gap. Stay with me. 3-minute. Look at the rejection. 3-minute. Look at the rejection. Perfect rejection. Stay with me. 2-minute. Look at the build down. The rejection. It didn't want to, the candles itself is not building up, it's building down. So what I'm waiting for is a rejection at this point. Look at this. Look at the 2 minute. I was looking for this red candle to form past this wick. Wait for the green candle to reject, get into the shorts, which I should have got it. Well, actually, I think I got into right there. Down to a 1 minute. Let's get. We're breaking it down. I'm breaking this whole play down for you so you can see it. Right. Look at the rejection off this block, and the rejection right here. Look at the rejection on this green candle right here. Get into your trade. You see what I'm saying? That's your trade. This right here was my trade. All right, so yeah, see you guys. It's 8:58 here, about to get my day started. I love you. Hey, that's what's up. I pray. Look, I'm gonna go back to it. Give me a second. All right. Nope, wrong one. Well, right one, but still. Make sure you continue to pray. I pray for blessings over you and y'all families. I pray that y'all have a beautiful day, a blessed day. If you have to leave, I pray that God is with you at all times and that He's continuing to guide your path. And I pray that y'all are blessed beyond measure. And continue to pray, continue to pray, call on the Lord, ask for things, repent, do all the good things and keeping Him on your side, Make sure that you build that relationship with Him. And if you have a relationship with Him, God bless y'all. And y'all have a beautiful day. But I'm going to keep on taking this trade. So, yeah, I'm going to keep taking some more trades and see if we can find any more. Hopefully we don't get any no sideways range or sideways movements. But we are in this 1 hour. And we might see a retracement back up. We're going to see. You know what? I'm going to wait. See what we get. Hey, God bless you, sister. I pray that you have a beautiful day today. Let's see. Any more news coming out? 9:30, we have a BOC press conference. Man, that probably ain't gonna be nothing. Let's go. Let's go, y'all. Let's get it. Let's take some more trades. That's all we here. All right.
At one point in the early years in Paris, when he was feeling extremely discouraged, he was just getting nowhere.
Ooh, look at this 4 hour. Look at this 4 hour block. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
Can't you waiting for the subway? It's inevitable that you will meet a failure or two or three or four. At the same time, the art itself, the product of that obsession, that obsessive kind of way of working, is the paradigm for all that is free and spontaneous.
Okay. Let me turn this down. I can go ahead and mop out and just remove some of these lines because we already took our trade, which kind of played me out. I ain't gonna lie to you. It was started lagging as soon as I started trying to get out the trade. When I started trying to get out the trade with my 600, it said I only made 160, 170. That's kind of bogus, but that's okay though. At least we up on the day. That's bogus. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, I think I got an email. Give me 1 second, y'all. Let me answer this. All right, let me set some more zones. Oh yeah, check me out, y'all. I'm gonna be on Top Step at 2 p.m. on the 22nd. 2 p.m. on the 22nd. Oh, let's go. Let's go. That pop. All right, this 1 hour is invalid. I'm gonna get rid of this. All right, on the 4 hour, let's see. 4 hour. I don't like this. That's not even good. Let's see. Oh, is y'all singing on this? Hold up. Oh, that's singing. And now, don't get me wrong. I could have went for the longs for like a quick scout because we didn't, this 1 hour didn't pass these candles right here for the retracement on the next candle. I could have, but that's scalping. So I guess I'll just wait on that. All right, we are pushing back up into this 30-minute. I'm gonna call this the ICT IFVG. So we're gonna do that. See what happens right here. Give me 1 second, y'all. All right, I'm back. What are we gonna do right here? All right, y'all. So I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting to see what we're gonna do right here. I mean, we are pushing up. You know what? I might catch a long. I might catch a long. I like how we're pushing up, but it has to be clear. I gotta get clear sign for a long. So I'm gonna look for a retracement. If we can get a good retracement, I'm gonna get back into the longs and risk some of the profits. I don't know. Try to change the color to change my mood. Alright. Where we at? Let's see. What we doing? Are we pushing up? Let's try long. Strong rejection. Wow. Let me get out a couple. All right, down 400. Let's get it. You know what? I thought that was gonna be a nice push to that, but I guess not. You got me. Let's go. Are we pushing back down shorter? Hold on, let me get out of this. Get it back out of this. Is this a short back down to the lows? Are we rejecting on that 30 minute? Let's see. Shoot. I need to see some confirmation first. Rejection back down? Huh. Wow. It don't look convincing. I just want to see. Just gauging the market, y'all. No way. Dang, as soon as I start playing, the market start going crazy. Oh, okay. I should have paid attention. The 15-minute candle just printed. I was not paying attention. Hmm. All right, like I said, y'all, my stop is at 1,000. My my stop loss is at 1,000. I got about 200 left. No way. I might just take my losses. Or I might switch to my other account. I might think about it. Trying to see if I get any click. Oh, hold up. Wait a minute.